Hello guys, welcome to a new video of Certified YouTuber. In this video, we are going to drop the Realme X7 Max 5G from the 1 kilometer height from the ground. So let's get started. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go! So before we drop this phone, let's unbox it. I can see guys. Oh guys, the phone is really slim and lightweight. The processor of the phone is Dimensity 1200. It's a 5G processor and the performance of the phone is really good. This is almost equivalent of the Qualcomm Snapdragon 870 processor, which is the last year's flagship processor. And the 120Hz small AMOLED display is really fun to use. The processor itself can handle easily this display with this high refresh rate, and the cameras are 64 megapixel Sony IMX682 sensor and the ultra wide angle camera, and rest is garbage, as you know. At this price point, the phone does not have the OIS, and the ultra wide camera also is not that sharp, but still it's a pretty acceptable camera considering the other factors. So guys, without wasting any more time, let's go to our drop location and drop this phone. So here you can see guys, we come to our drop location. In just few moments we're gonna drop this phone. So let's hang this phone to our drone. So let's fly this drone to 1 kilometer height. So are you guys ready? So let's start the countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go! So let's go to our home and let's see what happens with this phone. Here you can see guys, the phone is unable to survive this test properly. The phone takes the impact really hard, but still it somehow shows some signs of life, but it can't be usable anymore. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe for more awesome content. And final, peace out.